Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to install VLC Media Player on Windows 11. So first, go to the Google Chrome and search for VLC. In the first place, click here, Official Download of VLC Media Player. Now, click the arrow or drop down on Download VLC and click Windows. And now, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click Yes when prompted. Doing so opens the installation window. Now, select a language. When asked, click the language drop-down box and select the language you want to use for VLC Media Player. Then, click OK to proceed. Now, select Next 3 times. This will take you to the installation page. And then, click Install. It's at the bottom of the page, doing to install VLC Media Player on your computer. And then, to finish, immediately after installing VLC, you can run it by making sure that Run VLC Media Player box is checked and clicking Finish. When you want to run VLC in the future, you'll double-click the VLC app icon on your desktop or select it from Start. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again!